Students, let's start today exercise 5.4 application of laws of exponents. Here in this exercise we will learn various real life uses of exponents, means where we can use exponents to solve our daily life problems. So let's see the exercise question number 1. Look at here. Question number 1. Rishi saves money to buy a sari for his mother. He puts rupees 2 in a piggy bank on the first day, and each day he doubles the amount he saves from the day before. Means he has to buy sari for his mother and he is saving the money. First day suppose he has put rupees 2 in a piggy bank, then next day the amount will get double, means double amount he will save. Suppose first day rupees 2, then second day rupees 4, then third day he will save rupees 8. Similarly, like this, in this process, how much money does he save on the 10th day? Means how much money he will save on the 10th day. So look at here. Suppose first day he is saving rupees 2 for his mother. Second day he is saving just double of rupees 2. What is? Rupees 4. And third day just double of rupees 4, that is rupees 8. And fourth day double of 8, means 8 8 16. Fifth day he will save double of rupees 16, that is 16 plus 16 32. Sixth day he will save double of rupees 32, means 64. Seventh day he will save double of rupees 64, that is 128. Eighth day he will save double of 128, that is 256. Ninth day double of 256, that is 512. And 10th day he will save 1024, double of this. Okay, like this every day he is saving double of the amount of the previous day. So what is this actually? 2 means 2 to the power 1. 4, what we can write in the powers of 2? For 4, 2 to the power 2. Okay. For 8, what we can write? 2 to the power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2 means equal to 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8 equals to 8. For 16, we can write 2 to the power 4. For 32, we can write 2 to the power 5. You can see 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 16 2 ja 32, which is equal to this. Means all the numbers I am writing in the powers of 2 in exponential form. 64, 2 to the power 6, 2 to the power 7, this is 2 to the power 8, this is 2 to the power 9, and this is 2 to the power 10. We can write 1024. You can see if you will multiply 2 10 times, you will see it will come equal to 1024. So on the 10th day you will write like this: Rishi saves money on the 10th day equal to 1024, and in the exponential form you can write it 2 to the power 10. Okay, so you can see how we can arrange this number in a pattern, means in the exponential form, as he is saving the money doubles of the previous day: 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, and so on. Got it? Now the second question. In a school, the teacher gives a message to 4 students of her class, and each of those students convey the same message to the other 4 students, and so on. Means a teacher has given one message to 4 students, and those 4 students, each of those 4 students will convey message to the other 4 students, and so on. This process will be going on up to how many students will get the message in the 5th round. Like this round will be going on, and in the 5th round how many students will get the message. So let us understand it through this figure. Suppose this is one message given by the teacher to how many students? 4 students. You can see it is written, message is given to 4 students. So one message is given to the 4 students. Student number 1 S1, student number 2 S2, student number 3, student number 4. Okay, one message is given to 4 students. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this is the first round, and in the second round each of the 4 student will give message to the other 4 student. Means suppose this student number 1 has given message to the 4 student, 1 2 3 4. He has given 4 student, and he has also given to the 4 student, 1 2 3 4, and he has also given to the 4 student, 1 2 3 4, and he also 1 2 3 4. So total number of student in the second round, how many student will get the message? Let us count. Student number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. Total 16 student will get message in the second round, and in the first round 1 2 3 4 student got. In the second round 16 student got. Okay, now again the third round, as it is said in the question that each student will give message to the other 4 students. So this student S1 will give message to the other 4 students. So he has given 1 2 3 4. So he will also give message to the other 4 student, 1 2 3 4. He will also give message to the other 4 student. He will also give message to the other 4 student. Similarly, he will also give message to the other 4 student. He will also give to the other 4 student. Similarly, they will also, student number 9, student number 10, student number 11, 12, 13, everyone will give message to the 4 student, other 4 students. So how many it will be? 4, 4, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. Means total student will get message. Total number of student is 64 in the third round. Similarly, again in the fourth round, he will give message to the other 4 student. He will also give message to the other 4 student. He will also, similarly, the process will be going on up to how many round? Up to, you can see in the question, up to 5th round. You have to find out up to 5th round. So let us see the pattern. This is not possible to draw all the figures here. So we have to apply exponent here. First round 4. 4 means, can we write 4 to the power 1? Second round, how many students? 16. Means 4 to the power 2 we can write. 4 4 ja 16. Third round 64. Means, can we write 4 to the power 3? Means 4 into 4 into 4, 4 4 ja 16, 16 4 ja 64. Similarly, in the fourth round, it will be 4 to the power 4. And in the fifth round, it will be 4 to the power 5. Got it? So you will solve it like this. The teacher gives a message to 4 students. In each round, the number of message is a power of 4. Every round, you can see the number of messages are power of 4. So, in first round, 4 to the power 1 message means total 4 message. In second round, 4 to the power 2 messages means 4 into 4. 4 to the power 2 means 4 into 4 is equal to 16 messages. In the third round, 4 to the power 3 messages means 4 into 4 into 4 equals to 64. In the fourth round, messages will be 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 to the power 4, that is 256. If you will multiply this, it will come 256. And in the fifth round, 4 to the power 5, that is 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. That is equal to 1024 messages will be given to the, means number of a student. How many student will get the message in the fifth round? 1024. Got it? This process. Similarly, you can see question number 3. Pooja wants to predict the number of likes she will get on her blog. Means how many likes she will get, she want to predict. She receives 3 likes on her blog during the first week. Suppose first week she got 3 likes. If the number of likes triples every week, means every week the number of likes will get triples. How many likes will she receive during the 8th week? Means first week, suppose she got 3 likes. Then second week, how many likes? It is written that triples of the previous triples means 3 times. Means second day she will get 9 means 3 to the power 2. First day 3 means 3 to the power 1. Third week again triples of the previous means whatever the previous week it's triples she will get in the third week. 3 into 3 into 3 means 3 to the power 3. Fourth week 3 to the power 4. Fifth week 3 to the power 5. Sixth week 3 to the power 6. Seventh week 3 to the power 7. And eighth week she will get 3 to the power 8. Eighth like means 3 into 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 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 eighth power. So you will multiply this, you will get the answer. Similarly, you have to solve question number 4 and 5. Complete exercise 5.4. It is your homework. Okay.